because this is the road if I want to go home every day. In the morning I need to go in the TESDA because I am learning as a caregiver. So one day if I finish this course in God will, maybe this is a street road until I reach home. So I will cut the video when I reach home. I'm gonna show you where's my place. I have a small not house. It's look like a rest house, but it's not a rest house because only the goat is sleeping there.